Hey everybody, here we are standing. I'm getting ready to pack up my little trailer. Thought I'd give you a quick tour because tours are better than photos sometimes. So here we are. I'm going to be traveling to Richmond, Virginia, and I got to take my trailer in tomorrow to get some new tires. But I'm going to pack up, get it ready to go. I'm going to take out some of the extra that I won't need for the trip. So, but while it's still set up, I thought I would give you guys a little tour and you can see how cute it is. And I'll give you a little bit more update on some of the details that I haven't shown yet. A little palm tree, or what is it, monstera leaf rug, and I found a thrifted Afghan that matches. Kind of trying to find tropical stuff is kind of difficult. I got my ukulele hanging up. Somebody mentioned that I needed one, and there it is. I found a cute little hanger that was like a command strip mount. Got some artwork, and there's my little angel that stays. So, of course, the fabric for these curtains are so fun. I actually used some of this on a pair of pants, my happy pants. So in the bed, and of course you guys have seen photos of the quilt and my pillows that I made to match. Some of these pillows are going to go outside, and there's my pineapple and my little hula ladybugs and my monkeys. Little monkey was too young. He didn't get a fez, but he's got his ladybug luau fez to go. So I just still haven't figured out what the fez things are. But I guess in some of the tiki artwork, the fezzes are pretty good. Or something. I think maybe Shag had initiated it. So there are my two coconut monkeys. I found those both at Goodwill, probably 3 years apart. And I found the parrot at Goodwill a long time ago and just thought he was cute and I needed him. And I had found the bird cage also at Goodwill last year for my Harry Potter. So start seeing some of the tikis and my little vintage lamp. And my little coconut monkey cabinet here. This is so cute. I put paper behind it so I can actually, at night, I have these candles. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but you can see at night. I've got 3 of them because there's 3 shelves. Be able to turn that on. I think it'll be cute at night. And I got my little hula couple, and I did my little tiki trailer chalk the board. I really need to up my game on chalkboard. And a little cheap sign, my vintage Hawaii sign. And of course my girlfriend Shannon gave me that, so that stays in here. And I still need to find the candles. I have some upstairs, some electric candles. I don't like to put real flame in here. I don't want to burn up my trailer. And here's my Honey and Me. This is my one souvenir from Key West, my little seashell, so that gets to stay. And this actually was advertised as a vase. I found that a couple weeks ago at an antique shop. And my various tiki mugs. And I got my margarita glasses from my mom. And my monkeys. And this is my $6 find at Ollie's for my smell good things, the wax melts. And I had these from a long time ago. I have now little spreading knives, so those are cute. Maybe I'll use them this summer. And this is from the set, Hawaii set that I found at Goodwill. It was brand new. There was a towel down here that went with it, and a few other things. Still had tags on it. These will go outside when I have this picnic set up. So a lot of these stuff I already had. So there's my parrot glasses and the salt, sugar and creamer for my dishes, the monkey dishes. These I haven't shown you yet. Those I found on Etsy. I had some other canisters in here, but just never was happy with them. So I found those on Etsy and thought they were a pretty addition. Really nice, pristine condition from the 50s. Of course, I gotta have my coffee maker. And I had that hanging up, but the hooks didn't hold it, so I gotta see maybe an alternative. And so, of course, my monkey dishes. So a lot of this stuff here I'm going to probably pack up and not take with me on my trip to Richmond. But it's so fun. So I got my these monkey. I love, you know, I only got a pair of these, and the seller actually sent these little monkeys. That was the night, I had the Mai Tai the other night. So and there's my little hula couple, and those two I found at an antique shop a month ago or so here in town. So I'm going to have these. This I might actually try on the table. This will be my outdoor This is a really pretty one. Outdoor tablecloth when I have my picnic set up. Here's some of my vintage stuff. I think I'm actually going to cover the footstool down there. I'm going to put a cover that'll match the tropical theme when I get back. And my grass skirt. Hopefully I'll still be able to sew. And some more of my collection. I found that recently for $5 at an antique shop. And my little statues I've had. Who knows where those came from. And my various tiki mugs and my little hula girl. I got this Clifton one. I was trying to support some of the bars that have struggled during COVID, so I went around and found a few that had mugs. This one just cracks me up. And then my monkey one to go with my monkey theme. Another statue. And my little kind of tropical looking purses. But so I wanted to show everything to you guys. I'm gonna fix this before I take it apart, because not gonna need all this to go to a trip for go see Selena, but I just love it in here. It's like, and there's my my other trailer on the other side there. But I hope you guys have a good day and hope you enjoy my little tour here. Thank you. Talk to you later.